In this video, we will revise lesson 1-3. I will solve some questions with you with the help of those questions. The rest you will solve yourself. In this lesson, you will determine whether two quantities shown in a table are proportional relationship by testing for the equivalent ratios. So, if the answer of all the fractions in the simplest form is same, you will say they have proportional relationship. If they are different, non-proportional. Now here, this is a sample question 2 from lesson 1.3. For each situation, complete the table. Does the situation represent a proportional relationship? One, the cost of one school lunch is 250. If one is 250, for two it will be 250 times 2 is 5, 250 times 3 is 7.50, 250 times 4 is 10. So if they all are increasing with the same rate, then we can say that yes, the relationship is proportional. And what is the constant of proportionality here? 2.50. Number 1, already the unit rate was given that for one lunch the price is 2.50. Now here Anna walks her dog at a constant rate of 12 blocks in 8 minutes. How we can find it? 12 divided by 8 is 1.5. Now what is this? 12 times 2 times 3 times 4. So same way 8 times 1, 8, 2, 8, 3 and 8, 4. This way you can complete the table. Now what is the constant of proportionality? 1.5. So by dividing all of them in the simplest form they are 1.5. So you can say that yes, the ratios between the quantities are equal and simplify to a unit rate of 1.5 blocks per minute. Okay, Fun Center rents popcorn machine for $20 per hour. In addition to the early charge, there is a rental fee of $20 per hour means 20 times H, and there is an additional fee added by $35 which they will pay one time. Now 55 is the first one, like when we replace H with 120 times H plus 35. H is 1 here, 21 times 20 plus 35 is 55. So this way we can continue, and times 2 it is 75, 95 and 115. Now for finding the unit rate, 55 one time is 55, 75, this is 55 over 1. This is 75 divided by 2 is 37.5 over 1. So unit rate 55 is not as same as 35. So if the unit rate is not same, we will say the relationship is not proportional. The ratios between the quantities are not similar, so they are not proportional. Jane has 280 in his dollars in her saving account. Starting next week, she will deposit $30 in her account every week. Every week means weekly she will be putting 30 and 280 is already there. So in week 1, how much she will earn? 30 plus 280 will be 310. Like this you can replace W with 2 and you can find for second, third and fourth week. But when you will check in the simplest form, the ratios will not be similar. Why? Because if it is only till 30 times W, it will be same, but when we will add 280, it will make it different each time. So in this question the ratios are not proportional. Now Rock paid 12.50 for 25 game tickets and Lucia paid 17.50 for 35 game tickets. What is the constant of proportionality? How do we compare the constant of proportionality? We will convert both of them into the unit rate. So in the first case, we will convert the denominator to 1 to find the unit rate. So when 1250 divided by 25, it will give us 0.50 per ticket. When we check for 17.50 with 35, it again gave us 0.50 per tickets. Now both of them are same in unit rate, so we can say yes, they are proportional. And what is the constant of proportionality? 0.50 over 1 ticket. So 0.50 is our constant of proportionality. I have solved some questions with you. Similarly, you will pause the video, try to solve this question and get your answers. And then if you have same answer as like this 1.75, 1.75, 1.75, it means they are proportional and the constant of proportionality is 1.75. Similarly, you can solve question number 7 and 8. (3.1) is the constant of proportionality. And in this question, similarly, find the constant of proportionality of all values, and that is 9.1.